What's up, y'all? It's your boy in the building. You already know who it is. It's that guy D Fresh. I told you guys what we were going to do today, and that's exactly what we're going to do. But before we go ahead and start showing love, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. Let's celebrate, family. We had a whole bunch of people just smacking it out of the ballpark today. It was an easy day to make money. Man, SPY gave us the little push in the morning, but I told you we had certain areas that we had to get through. If we couldn't, they were pulling right back down. And man, so many people was able to get busy, get to their toolbox, pull out that knowledge on riding the direction to the downside, make money on puts, and get out of that play. I am so proud of everybody. I'm telling you, popping champagne bottles in the air for each and every one of y'all. Let's get to it. First one came from Blue. I definitely jumped in early this morning in a weird spot with the market chopping, even though I anticipated it would be choppy after the big overnight move, but I'm happy. I still ended green for the day. See profit, take profit. He came out with 71 bucks. That is amazing. Champagne bottles in the air for you, my guy. Keep grinding. Said also, thank you, D Fresh, for your levels. They really helped today. I read your message down there. That's in the works. I got something coming out to kind of show you what I look at. And that's why YouTube family, if you're not in the Discord, you get in the Discord, because I break down plays like this. When I see certain stuff, I'll throw my chart up there and show you exactly what I'm looking at. That way you see it. I'll make a longer video. That way we can get more in depth with it, but that's something to look forward to in the near future. So next one come from Chef Shay. Said, D Fresh, levels up. Salute my brother. God bless. Man, look at those wins on there. He got busy in Tesla. He got busy in SPY, and he rode that morning pump up. So they gave us that look to the morning, and that's why I said it makes you such a deadly trader when you are able to ride that thing up and then catch that trip right back down. And I know he did it, because we're going to come back to him here in a second. So hold that. Salute, my guy. That is a amazing first half of the day. Look at those wins right there, man. That's some good stuff. Next one come from my homie Corey. Said this was 512% swing on a $640 put in SPY. I know you know how to kill them going both ways. I done seen you in action. Keep doing your thing. That is a little over 350 on the day. That is amazing, man. Champagne bottles in the air for you, my guy. Keep grinding. Next one, Big Diesel. Here it is again, where you have to be patient and be ready to be a sniper when the time comes. See profit, take profit. Thanks to Chris and D Fresh for putting these levels out. Check that out. $1,100 win. That is amazing. Congratulations to you on that win right there. Super duper proud of you. Champagne bottles in the air for you. Keep grinding. And man, big shout out to Chris Ain and everything that he's building over there. I am a product from that university. That'll always be home. I made a lot of good friends over there. Again, much love to him and his whole team over there. So next one come from Stock King. Said, first image is profit I made yesterday. I did a silly move and gave all of that back except $68.21. I know you always mention never give it back to Wall Street. Today I got a little piece of the pie with IWM on that run up at open. I wasn't giving nothing back today. Learn from that mistake. Thanks, D Fresh, the GOAT. Man, I appreciate the love, but man, again, family, everybody that's listening, Wall Street has the traps set up to make you fail. They got traps to make you FOMO into getting into play, to make you want to stay in the play longer than you need to stay, aka overstaying your welcome. Family, that's why it's so important to come to the day with a plan, and even better than that, stick to your plan. Once that plan is executed, trim off, get rid of profit, secure the bag. That's what it's all about. Those small wins build the portfolio. As soon as you realize that you don't have to wait on the $1,000 pop, the $500 pop, and it's okay to take earlier in the video, the $75 pop, the $100 pop, occasionally the $25 pops. Once you okay with that and taking the 20% increases, that's when you're going to see your portfolio start taking off. So again, family, set that stop loss when you in play and stick to your plan. Once it's executed, get out of that play. You're done. Let's think about something else, or even better, take the rest of the day off. Stock King, my guy, keep grinding. I see you every day doing your thing. Good stuff, my guy. Next one come from Fiola, done for the day, got busy in Google. Look at that. That is a 267% increase, $900 profit. I'm proud of you. Keep doing your thing. Next one is from Bad Options. D-Fresh is the GOAT. Appreciate the levels you dropping. Man, again, I appreciate you guys for allowing me to be part of your trading journey. Champagne bottles in the air for you. Next one come from Iconic. Look at that. $35 profit. I love it. This is when you understand that it's okay to take the $35. I'm in and out. Man, that's $35 more than you had before. $35 is better than no dollar. So when you hold these long plays and you letting them things reverse, killing your contract, always remember, man, I could have took that $35 win. I could have took that $50 win. $50 is better than no dollars. $35 is better than no dollars. So don't forget that right there. We trying to build a portfolio, not trying to smoke that thing. Next one come from Zodi. Caught Tesla both ways and a bit of SPY. Thanks for the knowledge and levels. Man, again, it's nothing better than watching you guys champion the day and dominate and be able to be profitable. I love it. Champagne bottles in the air for you, my guy. Keep doing your thing. Keep grinding. I told you I was getting back to the homie Chef Shay. Message of the day. Believe in D-Fresh. I said I was done, but that's now over $12,000 today. Man, that is crazy. Champagne bottles in the air for you. You killed it today. Now, let's rinse and repeat. Let's jot down everything that we did that worked right today. Let's repeat that in the future. This is how you win. You jot down the wins, you jot down the losses, you figure out what worked, what didn't work, you add what works to your game plan, and that's how you set up for success. Man, I am proud of you. At the bottom said D-Fresh, let me know if you need some gas or something. Man, I appreciate the love and support, but again, it is 100% my pleasure of you guys allowing me to be part of your trading journey. That's an honor. So I'm not worried about gas money. I get excited. You guys see how excited I get when we get pushed to the upside or to the downside. I'm slinging my hat down. I'm pumping. I'm doing all kind of stuff when we smacking them out of the ballpark. So you guys are amazing. Much love to everybody out here that got busy and dominated today. You understood the assignment and you dominated the mission. I am super duper proud of every one of you guys. Keep grinding, keep doing the doggone thing. So, all right, family, let's repeat everything we did in today into tomorrow. I'll give you levels of interest or respect going into tomorrow. We ain't gonna cover that many tickers today only because we got some major data that's coming out tomorrow that can influence some of these plays to the upside or a further push to the downside. This is the data that I'm referring to. We got ADP employment at 8:15, initial jobless claims at 8:30, and U.S. productivity at 8:30. So it's a few of these things, and then we got more data at the top of the hour. So these are things that can move the market. So just keep your eye on that at the top of the hour. If you're thinking about getting in any plays, just know we may have some turbulence around that time. Newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. We're going to cover a couple tickers, and then we're going to go ahead and get up out of here. All right, newbies, beginners, y'all come on up. First ticker up is going to be WULF. And had a few people ask what was my outlook with this one. My outlook is they gave you a crazy run a week and a half ago. Things running up and busting through these crazy levels. What always happened? They end up pulling right back down. I think I even gave you this area up here. I said somewhere around this 1065 area, they was going to get smacked right back down. And we seen what has happened since. They got smacked all the way down to 885. They ran it back up to 1025. And here we go again. They running this thing all the way back down, but it seemed like they respecting this area down here where my green line is at, somewhere around 870. Once they start breaking up under there and start consolidating under, that opens up this 820 area all the way back down to 690. Turbulence right in here at 675. They start losing that area right there, they can really start falling back down to some ugly stuff, 570. So we'll cover that if they start taking out those areas. But right now, they're staying above a key area of interest. Once they start getting up under there, we'll discuss it more into detail. Next ticker up, I'm going to throw CRWV at you guys. Family, we've been talking about this one again for quite some time. As you see, they're coming down. These ain't levels that I'm throwing on my chart new every day. If you go to any of my videos and the ones that we talked about this ticker, you see these levels. I told you where they were coming. They was going to try to make their shot down here. I told you in last night's video, once they broke a key area, hello, we coming up under 88.75, and I got a level down here at 88.35. That's a key area of interest to pay attention to. They start losing that one, they bringing this thing down to 85.50 and routes to some ugly stuff back down to $77. So I'm not interested in calls in this one just yet. If you scalp in this one, you want to see them open higher than 93.90. That should give you a nice push to $97. But again, be swift with it. Get in and get out. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. With this one right here, they're sitting at 643.40. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them open higher than 645.50. They can do that. They can start trying to bring this thing back up. Next level or next push should be up to this level right in here at about 647.60. They hold through that. They come into 648.80 and then back to those tops at 649.50. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than 641.60. They can do that. They're going to shoot their shot back to these bottoms at 639.80 before trying to run to some lower stuff. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. And this one, they're sitting at 334.75. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 338.50. They can do that. They're going to run it back up to 341.40. To the downside, you want to see them open up lower than this 329.90. They can do that right there. You got turbulence to about 326.90 and then boom, they coming up under 320. So there you go in that. I'm going to cover one more because somebody in the Discord brought it up. So I'll take a quick look at it. LULU is sitting at ticker symbol LULU. They're sitting at 2025. If you are a bull in this one, you want to see them get back above this 203.20 area. If they can do that, they can start riding this thing back up. You got an area of interest at 205.80 and then this 207.60. They hold above that one right there. They can start lighting the place up to the upside. To the downside, you want to see them open lower than 197.70. Next push will be down to these bottoms around 195.30. I draw my trend line there because as you see, they have bounced it from that 195 spot several different times. So that's going to be a heavy level. If you look at all of these bottoms, they bounced at 195.30. So if you are playing this one and you trying to be a little risky, I wouldn't even call it risky because it's been bouncing from that area. I would set my stop loss at a comfortable spot, respecting your risk in your own trading plan. If it's 1%, 2%, whatever it is, I set it. That don't look like a bad spot. You see, every time they got to that level right there, they bounced it. We go back in time, they bounced it. They bounced it from there. Innocent into proven guilty. They bounced it. Yeah, that seemed like a pretty good level. Now, if they start consolidating up under it, it brings 192 into play. All right, family, that's all the tickers I have for you today. Man, again, today was a exciting day. Shout out to everybody that dominated and made money today. Again, I can't express it enough. Super duper proud of y'all. Can't wait to see y'all first thing in the morning. You already know we back at it. Until then, if you like sniper type, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, NVIDIA, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike, go ahead and join us in the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there. there and let's get it. Boom.